try to accomplish with the Alexa Mini Bootcamp is to take individuals that may not have had access to this level of equipment and to put it in their hands and give them practical applications and problem solving. So that gives them the confidence and the empowerment to go out and be storytellers.
My favorite part of the workshop was being able to ask direct questions and get feedback. It wasn't, oh, I have a problem, maybe I'll go online and look for it. If there was an issue immediately, I could just, hey, what about this? Have you ever seen this out in the field? So.
If there was one thing that I really enjoyed from the workshop, it was the hands-on time with the camera and just getting time with the system and getting to know the ins and outs and the connections and all the different options that were available for it. And just the one-on-one time with the instructor, all those things are great.
Made it seem very uncomplicated and accessible and something that I could take to working on my own projects.
One of the best experiences that I think people have is when we can have a really quick feedback loop between doing a shooting exercise, whether it's exposure, high frame rate, or anamorphic shooting, and then bring the footage directly into the post environment and see the footage, within minutes of having shot it.
I would recommend this to anybody trying to learn more about the camera or about ARRI systems in general. Nothing comes close to throwing it on your shoulder, racking focus, using the WCU4 and all the different accessories that come with it. And the amount of equipment here is insane.